Hello everyone, today I'm embarking on this super fun challenge that my team set me up to do. I'm going to pick a couple of chits. It's basically like a this or that fashion challenge. So I'm just going to pick a couple of chits and I will be forced to wear what's in those chits. It's going to be a full look, I guess. I'm not sure, but I've got no choice really. So however mismatched or crazy or fun or maybe blended this outfit will look, I'm super excited to try it out and super curious to see what comes my way. So let's go ahead with it. So guys, this was my team's fun way of making me wear the most mismatched outfit, and they got lucky. I actually land up being mismatched. I feel like I could have picked the jeans and that would have been a better option. This was super fun to put together. Let me know if you want to see more such challenges. Else you guys can challenge me to do something or wear something either with makeup or clothes, and I will definitely give it a go. Keep watching for more videos.